Yesterday I participated in the Royal Flush Steel Challenge, and in the clip that follows you'll hear JDLs from Peregrine Bullets calling out my hits. Well, they weren't hits, they all missed, and they were mainly hitting below the targets. So what was the problem? At first I thought that I had an issue with the primers because I had delayed ignition on all 5 rounds. In fact, I fired 20 rounds yesterday, and all 20 had experienced delayed ignition. However, this morning I discovered the problem, and after the clip I'll tell you what I discovered.
God, what's your sole purpose in this army?
To do whatever you tell me, Drill Sergeant.
God damn it, Gump! You're a goddamn genius. That's the most outstanding answer I've ever heard. You must have a goddamn IQ of 160. You are goddamn gifted, Private Gump.
Kom tot 5 op.
Okay.
Harry! Jy is nog die heel dag lang klaar.
Ja.
Kom tot 5 op.
Okay.
Mas! Oh, kan nie sien nie.
Ja, ek dink hy's links of regs verby.
Harry, maar moenie op my goed gaan nou nie. Ek is nie seker nie.
Okay.
Wag, dis reg. Jy win nou.
Oef.
Ja.
Jy sien dis weer 'n delayed fire gewees.
Ek hoor hom. Oom Harry.
Yes.
Bas. Langs op. Laat nie.
Ja.
Onder weer. Harry. Jou lyn is reg, Richard.
Ja, nee, ek sien.
Onder weer. Well done. Mooi Rob. Kyk, Richard. Jy het nou almal mis geskiet, jy kan met die kleintjie raaks.
Okay.
Oh, net onder weer.
Yes. So what was the problem? This morning I loaded 5 rounds with the same bullet, the same propellant charge, and the same primer. I went out to the shooting range and they fired perfectly. No delayed ignition. And I realized that the propellant charge of the rounds I fired yesterday was too low.
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Stupid is, stupid does, Mrs. Blue.
I guess.
Are you stupid or something?
Stupid is, stupid does, sir.